with one of the things. I bet it's a little animal. What is it? What's in there? What's in there? What is it? It's red. Oh my goodness, it's a crab. Look. Do you want it? Are you gonna get her? You get a big bite out of him. There we go. I think that means he likes it. I think that means he likes it. All right. Are we gonna name the crab Zao? You have a crab in your mouth. Steffi.
Put it back in the box.
Steffi. Look at him. You guys, look at him. He's still sitting in it. Let's everybody sing. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Zephin. Happy birthday to you.
How old
are you?
I'm 2.
I'm 2.
How old are you? I'm 2. How old are you?
I'm 2.
How old are you? You're 2.
Say bye, Bubby.
Bye, Bobby.
Oh, nice.